Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to find the circumference of a circle using the formula the circumference is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples and apply this formula. And so in this example here we have a circle with a radius of 4 inches. So let's go ahead and find out what our circumference is. So we have 2 pi times 4 inches. And simplifying this we get 8 pi inches. And that is our final answer. So let's go ahead and take a look at one more example. So in this next example here, we have a circle with a diameter of 10 centimeters. So the first thing that we'll need to do is solve for a radius. So recall the formula, the radius is equal to 1/2 the diameter. And plugging in our diameter into this formula, we get the radius is equal to 1/2 times 10 centimeters, which is just equal to 5 centimeters. So let's go ahead and plug this into our formula here. So we get the circumference is equal to 2 pi times the radius, which is 5 centimeters. And simplifying this, we get 10 pi centimeters. And so that is how to solve for the circumference of a circle. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.